My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just over 32,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the fridge. As well as the sink. You have lots of storage above and below. Moving on to our first double bed. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper a 5-belt 4-berth. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. Also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio and media. On the right, we have Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, see that it comes with park distance control. Just below the screen we have our AC. Pan the camera around, you can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.